Hey buds, what do you do when life gives you pickles instead of lemons?
You dill with it.
But seriously, if you are down to your last few dill pickles, I have a recipe for you to try that will make the most of these leftovers, including the dill pickle juice. And it is adapted from this cute little cookbook called One Big Table, which is a collection of recipes from the L'Arche, Friends of L'Arche Collective Kitchen. The L'Arche community that we're connected to is in Saskatoon, and that's who's featured in this book, but L'Arche communities exist all over the world, and their focus is on recognizing the gifts of people with intellectual disabilities and building relationships with them. So the proceeds for this cookbook goes towards that mission, and we'll put links in the description below on how you can buy it or how you can get more involved. So in a large pot on medium heat, we're going to melt a couple tablespoons of butter or margarine. Then we add in 2 chopped potatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll just cook those on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes or until they kind of get soft. All right, then we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of flour and 1 cup of our soup stock. So that could be chicken or veggie, whatever you like. Then we'll let it come to a boil and thicken. Once that boils and starts looking good, you can add another 3 cups of your soup stock, along with 1/2 cup of dill pickle juice that's been strained. Then we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover our pot, and let it simmer for 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of milk or milk alternative, along with 2/3 of a cup of chopped dills. So that was 3 or 4 pickles for me. And we're going to heat this for 2 minutes, but not boil it. Finally, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of dried dill or 1/4 cup of fresh dill if you have it handy. Give that a little stir and then we'll blend it all up. An immersion blender is nice if you've got it, but you can also do it in an upright blender. Well, we haven't done a taste test in a while, and this is our very first time trying dill pickle soup, so we thought we'd do it on camera. And I like dill pickles, but I'm not really sure what to expect.
Yeah, me neither, for sure.
It smells dilly.
It does, it smells very good.
Here goes nothing. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
You didn't spit it out.
No, it's very dilly, which
Yeah.
is good. I like dill, so.
Yeah, good dill flavor, but I mean the other vegetables are there too, so it's not like drinking straight dill pickle juice,
Yeah, it's not overpowering.
but it adds flavor.
It does.
Well, so there you have it. This is a great way to use that flavorful pickle juice and the leftover pickles you have in your fridge, and you get something tasty out of it. So we'll see you next time for more food foraging and fun.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Weirdly, dill pickle soup is pretty good. Who'da thunk? Just dill with it.
Just deal with it.